about 6:30 a.m. on January 18th, 1923, Elon student Bill Terrell noticed a small flame flickering in a window of main building. He ran to put out the fire, but the building was already filled with smoke. Screaming, "Fire! Fire!" Terrell woke up the campus and set into motion a defining day and an extraordinary century. Elon's main building and most of the college's records and books were destroyed, but the resilience and vision of the Elon community were firmly established that day. By 10 a.m., with the fire still smoldering, the faculty voted to continue operations. An hour later, the entire community met and set up a schedule and locations for classes. Trustees arrived the next day and approved a plan that would later be called a building plan for the institution for the next 100 years. By May, 2 building cornerstones were in place, and by the start of classes in the fall, Alamance Building was open. Generation after generation, when the people of Elon faced hardship, they remembered the spirit of 1923. The grit, determination, and work ethic endure today. You can see it in the drive to always be better. You can feel it in the sense of community, the deep need to care for one another. A century later, the spirit that propelled Elon to rise from the ashes is still alive. We are ever proud to commemorate and renew the legacy of 23.
Long live Elon.